In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create contact list on Brevo. To begin, open your web browser and go to Brevo, log into your account using your usual sign-in method. If you manage more than one workspace or account, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before you continue, since lists are stored inside the account you are currently viewing. Once you are logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Brevo keeps the main navigation, and it is the fastest way to get to your contact tools. Find and click the section labeled CRM Contacts. This area is where Brevo organizes the people in your database, along with the tools you use to manage them. After you click CRM Contacts, you will see additional options appear in a submenu. From that submenu, click Lists. The Lists page is where you can view any lists you already have, and it is also where you create new ones for different audiences, campaigns, or segments. As a quick tip, it helps to use lists to keep your contacts organized by purpose, such as newsletters, product updates, or event invitations. Clear organization now makes future email targeting much easier. Now go to the top right of the page and click Create a List. A setup window or panel will appear, prompting you to name your new list and place it into a folder. Type your list name carefully. Use a name that is specific and easy to recognize later, especially if you expect to create multiple lists over time. For example, naming it by audience type or project can help you avoid confusion when you are selecting lists for future campaigns. Next, select a folder. Folders are useful for keeping your lists grouped in a clean structure, particularly for teams or accounts that handle several brands, regions, or departments. Choose the folder that best matches the purpose of this list. Finally, click Create List. Brevo will create the list immediately, and you will be ready to start adding contacts or using the list in your marketing and CRM workflows. And that is all there is to it.